The Manhattan District Attorney's Office looks like they just threw everyone off when it comes to Luigi Mangione's trial date. I'm Alex Miller, and I've been covering the Luigi Mangione cases. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office sent this letter to Judge Gregory Caro today asking for a trial date. We didn't have one set in December when we thought we might. They're asking that this trial goes forward on July 1st, 2026, so just a couple of months away. Back in December, we had that 3-week-long evidentiary hearing where Mangione's team tried to get evidence thrown out. We still don't know the results of that, and we won't until May 18th. They say there are significant state interests impacted by Luigi Mangione's, that's who the defendant is, crime. And they also say that in nearly every case like this, in nearly every murder trial, it is prosecuted by local prosecutors. This was investigated by the NYPD and the DA's office, and that every time there was a court order that needed to be taken care of, it was taken care of by local prosecutors. That, they say, is reason enough that they should get the case first. They say it's because of them that Mangione was arrested, and that whoever makes the arrest, which technically was Altoona, but it was local law enforcement cooperation, that they're the ones who get the priority, and that the federal government didn't get involved until December 18th, it says right at the top there, 2 weeks after Brian Thompson was killed. Sorry for the small font, but this is how Karen Friedman-Agnifilo responded to that letter by the government. They say, this is the first that the defense is hearing about this request. The federal government already has a firm trial date set in September. As a practical matter, Mr. Mangione's defense team will require the remainder of the year to prepare for that trial. We will respond to the court about this unrealistic request in the coming days. Remember, we have court on Friday, on the 30th, in federal court with Mangione, and that's where we're expecting to find out if the judge is planning to throw out the death penalty charge. If she does, the case will go forward on October 13th of this year. If she does not throw out the death penalty charge, then it won't start until January. But regardless, Karen Friedman-Agnifilo is saying they need the rest of the year to prepare for that trial.